In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Apple Keyboard to PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to showcase two ways in which you will be able to connect and use your Apple Keyboard on a PlayStation console. The process is basically the same between both of these consoles, and the keyboard will work right away. So all that you have to do is, for the first method, go into the devices settings on a PlayStation 4 or the accessories on the PlayStation 5. So access the settings, go into devices or accessories, and then Bluetooth devices or Bluetooth accessories. It is going to be the first option under both of these categories, so you will see it right away. Once you go into Bluetooth devices or Bluetooth accessories, it is now time to make the keyboard detectable. So if you look at the top of the Apple keyboard, you will see this toggle. Just make sure that it is positioned properly until you see the green background, and now it is going to automatically search for nearby devices. If it doesn't go into pairing mode, you might have to input a specific combination of keys depending on your model, so I would highly recommend checking the manual. Once the keyboard appears under the list of available accessories, you simply have to select it. So it will appear here listed as an Apple keyboard, simply keyboard, or any other name. Just choose it from the list. Immediately upon selecting it from the list, it will remain connected and ready to use on your PlayStation console. Alternatively, if this does not work or you want to reduce some of the latency, you can use a cable. So look at the top of your keyboard and you will either have a USB-C or Lightning port available on your keyboard, again, depending on the model. So you plug one end of a cable into this port and the other one goes into any of the ports on the console. And as soon as you establish this connection, it will also work right away. So you don't even have to connect it over Bluetooth if you prefer to use a cable. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Apple Keyboard to PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.